Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Driple Studios. I'm Baggins, I'm the current editor, and I'm going to show you how to edit models like this. At the moment it's pretty bad, I made it slow because this is the aim of our game, you'll maybe see in the future. Alright, so I'm going to stop this and we're going to get into the video. So first, you need to get the model that you want to animate, add all the parts into it, change all their names to something different. So as you can see I've done arm 1, arm 2, just going to delete this for now. And then you're going to add a humanoid to your model, which basically like counts it as a human, so you can animate it. Then you need to get rig editor. Link will be in the description. Then you open it, click on the thing you want to do, click continue, select your humanoid, which is this for me, which is going to be your base. Oh, I accidentally did that. So this is going to be like the anchor to your model. So because you can't anchor all your parts. That's what another thing. You can't anchor any of the parts that are going to be moving. I'm going to select this, and as you can see I've done it for every single part in the model. So once that's done, now I'm going to click animation editor. Also, as you can see, look, it's created joints in all the different parts. When moving the parts, you can't just select all of these and move, otherwise it will just delete the joint. You have to do it via Animator Editor. So first thing that I've already done, just to save time, on all the parts you have to add a keyframe of the current position of where it's going to be, because that's basically where it's going to go back to. Then you move this to about here. So now I'm going to move. Oh, I need to add arm 1 back. There we go. So now I'm going to move arm 1 once I choose add a keyframe. Now I'm going to start with arm 1. Alright, so I'm going to move this to where I want. I've got to make sure the claw doesn't like get in the way, so what I'm trying to accomplish. So there we go, perfect. So now you can see that's made a cutscene. Then after you've done all of the different parts, you're going to want to select it, copy, no not this, sorry. You want to select this, the first one, where it first starts out, copy, then you want to paste it, then play it, and then look, you've got a perfect nice loop. And the annoying thing that you will have to deal with is every little part like this that I've made, you're going to have to move separately. It's a pain, but it's worth it, trust me. If you want your models animated, you're going to have to go through the pain. But say you wanted to slow the model down. So I don't think this is quite as but I don't think this is good. I want it slow. So I'm going to do it to 12 for instance. And then I'm going to play. And then look. So it's going a lot more slower now. I'm going to put that back up because that's fine as it was. And now once you've done that, so once you've done all your model, you want to upload to Roblox. You want to get it into your game. Alright, so you need to click export. Dropper 1, 2, 3, let's call it that. Driple Studios. It has to be in a group. You can't put it for me, otherwise it won't work for anyone else.
Hey, it's me, Scorchpig, who's editing this video right now, and I just realised that Baggins actually made a mistake. So when he said about the group or the me, if you're not making your group if you're not making your game, as part of a group, just put it under me. If you're making it as a group, then you've got to put it under your group, because otherwise no one else will be able to see it. So if you're making your game for a group, put it under the group. If you're making it just as a game by yourself, put it under me.
Right, so then now submit. Now I'm going to click onto this link. Copy and paste the HP link. Whatever it's called. And then we're going to go to your model, animator, go to this, paste your animation in there, open up your toolbox, NPC animation script. So you want to get this one by, let's call it Monster, because I don't really know what his name is. Alright, then once you've got this, you want to open it up, delete this animation, get your animation with your script in, put it in there, close it, put it in with your model, and then your humanoid part you're going to make sure it's anchored. Then we're going to test it, and if it works, well, it will work, sorry. Play. Alright, there we go. So now you've got your part in there. So that's how you animate. If you need any help at all with doing this, join our Discord group. At me, and I will add you as a friend, and I'll help you out as much as I can, whether I'm busy or not. Right, thank you for watching. Remember to smash that subscribe button. It's my first video, by the way, so I'm sorry that it's not as you would expect, but thank you. Bye.